there are easy things you can do to make the kpekus tighter and sweeter, which is this. Okay, this is lady stick. This stick is called lady stick. All right, it's popularly known as ashwakin mata. That's in Hausa language. Okay, so all you need to do is get this stick, wash it thoroughly, use it as chewing stick. Okay, so the more you chew, the more the kpekus will become tighter and sweeter. So if you want to keep oga longer in the honey pot, this is what you need. Go and get it. It's not expensive and it's not also difficult to find. So I believe you can see it wherever you are. Just use it and come back with testimony. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Please share this video to others so that they too can also benefit.